Hey guys, I'm Robert and I'm going to teach you how to make the Adams fly. It is one of the best flies made for trout. What we are going to need today is a vise, scissors, half hitch tool, dubbing tool, threader, bobbin threader, bobbin, thread, hook, size 8, fingernail polish or head cement, some grizzly hackle, gray dubbing, and some cuts off of turkey feather. And so we're going to start by putting the hook in the vise. Then we're going to take the thread, the bobbin's arms, and put them inside the threader holes. Pull a little bit of thread out, and then we're going to take the bobbin threader, stick the little wire down the bobbin's barrel, and stick the thread through the little loop on the bobbin threader and pull it through the hollow tube. And then we're going to do a knot called the jam knot. We're going to start in the middle of the hook, and we're going to do nice and tight, close together wraps that go around all the way to the eye of the hook. Then you stop, you go back to the line that you're holding. You keep going until you get to the bend of the hook. Once you get to the bend of the hook, you stop, and then with your scissors, you cut it off. Then you take your turkey feather cuts, you put them on the shank of the hook. Doesn't matter how far up they are. We can cut off the stuff that goes too far. Then you start with 2 really loose wraps. And as you do that, and then on your third, get tighter and tighter and tighter. And then stop 1/3 of the shank, 1/3 of the shank to the eye. You stop, make a couple tight wraps to secure it, make certain it's secured, and then cut off all this loose nonsense. And then you wrap back to the bend of the hook about. Start in the middle with the dubbing, little itty bitty bit of dubbing. About that much dubbing. You take your index finger and your thumb and wrap it on. And then you reel it up, and then you start wrapping. I like to start at the back of the shank. And then once you've wrapped it on, you take 1 feather of grizzly hackle, you strip it off, you strip off the barbules on the very front, wrap a couple wraps around this part that you stripped off. Goes with any time you use hackle. And then you cut off the parts that are left, and then you take the barbules of the rest of the feather and you strip them back so that it looks like kind of a lion's mane, and then you wrap counter thread-wise. So you wrap the opposite way that you're wrapping with your thread. And once you get to the front of the hook, you wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap. You make it tight, and then you strip back the barbules. Keep going around and around. Then you kind of make it between every wrap of the fly, and then don't want to net down any of the lion's mane, because then the fly won't be right. And so once it's all puffy, that means you're doing good. But you're not done yet. If it looks a little like bare, you might want to put one more piece of hack on. Okay, and I am going to use my fingers for the half hitch. And now it's all feathery, soft, yummy looking. And we're gonna keep going. And then one more. With the fingers, sometimes it makes it a little bit stronger. And then we're gonna take fingernail polish or head cement, and we're gonna just do a couple dabs on the knot. And then we're gonna let it dry for a little bit. And then that is the Adams. Thanks for tuning in, and if you liked my video, like, share, or subscribe.